Welcome back, folks. Today we're going to learn how to use the less well-known tool inside Windows, which is called the Problem Step Recording tool. Okay, what that tool is, it allows you, if you have an issue with your computer and you're dealing with text or you got to send your issue out and you're typing a message and tell them what the problem is. Well, the problem step recording tool allows you to actually show them, and it records your complete session. Okay. The good thing about it is also, people worry about, well, so I got to log into something, and they're not logging in. That's fine. It will not show passwords as you type them. It will not show them in the problem step recording tool, so you don't have to worry about that. So, how do we get to it? Well, you right click on your start menu and you go to the run line and then you type in PSR, problem step recording tool, and it'll open up the steps recorder box. Okay, it's not doing anything, right? Of course, because you got to tell it to start recording. So what you do is tell it to start to record. We're going to show them that we're doing Wireshark. Okay. So now it's got to start recording. Now it's going to record all your mouse movements and everything. Now if you left click, it actually will take a screen capture. So let's do a new folder on my desktop. And we're going to call it my folder. And then hit the enter key. Now let's left click here. And it made a screenshot. And you double click to open it up, it'll screenshot you open it up. Left click again, got the folder there. Okay, so now we're going to close the window. And you'll see all this once we go back and view the file that is generated. So we're going to open up Wireshark. Okay, and now the next thing we're going to do is click on our interface and let it roll. Okay. All right, we showed them our issue and we're done. So we tell it to, we're going to stop recording. Let's close the window out. You don't have to. And we tell it quit without saving. Done. Okay, now let's go ahead and stop our recording. Okay, one other thing I wanted to show you, okay, it's going to generate the actual, what it recorded. One thing I want to show you as well, there was a line in there that said add a comment. You can actually add comments too in there, and it all we put in there. As you can see here, it shows this file contains all the steps that was recorded to help you describe the recorded steps to others. Okay, and it's got you to warn, before sharing this file, you should verify the following steps accurately describe recording. There's no information below or any screenshots you do not want them to see. Okay, and then you can review recorded steps, review the steps as a slideshow, or review the additional details. And you can see here, it's got our whole screen going there, date and timestamps and everything. And it tells you, user right-clicked on desktop. This is the program manager. It even explains everything you did. Okay? Exactly. Look at that. Okay? Goes down through your whole complete session that you had recorded. Okay? And it shows we open up Wireshark. Use your left double click on interface list in the Wireshark network analyzer. Go back up, it told us that the user double clicked on Wireshark in program manager. Okay. Everything's there. Screen capture, everything. Okay, it doesn't miss anything. Okay. And then down here is your additional details, where it's all straight text. It brings it down by text of what you exactly did. Okay. When you get done, you go to return to the top of the page, whatever you want to do. Okay. So, and here's reviewed as a slideshow. Now it shows it as a slideshow. and we go ahead and close this out. When you close this out, okay, it's going to ask you, if you do not save this recording, it will be lost. Do you want to save this recording? We're going to say yes. Okay. Going to open up a location. You pick where you want to, and we're going to go ahead and put it in our documents. And then you're going to give it a name. My session. Okay. And you hit save. And you know it's going to save it as a zip file. Okay. Now it's done. So let's go to our folder. Okay. We saved it in our documents, and there it is, my session. If we expand this, or let's go ahead and open it up, you can see it's one file, and it's the HTML document. Now, if it's small enough, you can actually just email that HTML document by itself. And you can drop it to a file share, FTP folder, whatever you need to do. And the person who receives it, all they got to do is click on it or expand the zip file, whichever way you want to deliver it to them. Of course, it's going to open up your browser. Okay. And I'm going to do regular sentence. First time I use this browser. And here we go. Microsoft.com, blah, blah, blah. And you can see here it's the exact same window that it just showed you, everything that you did. And the technician should be able to go through that and see your actual issue that you're going through and be able to help you out. Okay? So when you're done, you just close everything out. Okay? That is how you use the Problem Step recording tool. Okay. Thank you very much. You have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next video.